this is some pretty cool tech you got here, Captain. What's it do?
This tech right here, these electronics, allow me to pinpoint the fish so we know how deep they are and where they're located at. Cuts down and makes your odds better of catching fish.
So what would you do without all this technology?
Then I would go back to old school, the way that we would catch fish. What you're looking for is stumps, brush piles, laydowns coming off the bank, which is trees that have fallen in the water, and start fishing the trees. Anyone can do it.
All right, Captain, let's steward this.
All right.
I honestly really enjoy eating crappie. I think they're very, very delicious. And it's also really satisfying.
Hey, Kevin, I think we're on the right track to becoming sustainable anglers.
Oh yeah, we even checked to see if we needed fishing licenses this morning.
That is a great way to support the fishery by purchasing a license. It's your ticket to catch all the fish and then get to eat them as a reward. You can get this fishing license online at Take Me Fishing, or you can go to your local bait and tackle store. Great places to be able to do that and help fund the future of fishing for all of us.
Man, I can't wait till I'm old enough to buy a fishing license. Count me in.
I know we're drifting away from it a little bit, but there's a deeper channel right here, and they're all swimming near the bottom.
Come on, crappie. I got a nice juicy minnow for you.
There he is.
Captain, we have a crappie in hot pursuit.
This is the big one.
Get to that, Auntie.
This is the big fish.
Oh.
This is what I've been looking for. Got him?
Got him.
Woohoo!
Look at that baby.
All right, there we go. That may be a keeper. This is why we like to catch crappie. Let's put this in a live well. We're gonna eat this one tonight.
Yummy.
Did you know that crappies are a member of the sunfish family? You can also find them in lakes and rivers pretty much all over the country. And they make some of the tastiest fillets you could ever eat. There you go, buddy. But you know, if we're gonna take care of the earth, we also need to treat our fish with care.
Absolutely, Kevin. Sustaining the fish is very, very important. And there are certain ways that you can sustain the fish. Make sure that you use J-type hooks, light wire, keep your live well clean, have it aerated. Don't put your hands around the sides of them, hold them by the mouth. Get them into water as soon as you can and release the small ones. And that will definitely keep our fisheries alive. Kevin, did you put any bug spray or sunscreen on today?
Nope, these hands are all clean.
Oh, awesome. Because if you did, those two items will actually kill your fish. It coats their gill plates and they can't get oxygen. So you always want to clean your hands or put on gloves if you use those products so that you don't do that to your fish and your bait.
All right, let's get these hands fishing again.
I'm all for that. Let's go catch a big one.
Hey, do you want to know the secret to casting your rod? All you have to do is open up the bail here, hold down the line with your finger, and you're good to go.
Great cast.
Thanks, Captain.
Trying to watch these fish that are over from us over here.
Yeah,
We got another spot over here with a fish on it.
well, hopefully he'll go over to mine.
Oh, I got a bite. I got a bite.
Oh man, you got a big one. Oh man, look at that. Yay!
Wow,
Awesome.
woohoo! Look at him, he is a good catch.
Wow.
You've got a white bass. You've got a great white bass. The hook was great and you did a good job reeling that fish in. Look at that hook. That hook came out so easy. J-hooks, that's the way to go.
Nice.
All right.
Let's put this fish in the live well and let's get fishing for more of these.
I
Man,
have a good feeling about this one.
I do too. I think I'm gonna get a good few fish here.
You know, it's not only important that we take care of the fish, but that we take care of each other.
Oh, thanks, Aunt Angie.
You are so right. Make sure to watch the weather, use sunscreen, but make sure that you don't put it on the fish. If it's really hot, make sure you keep hydrated and take a boater safety course. That way, as you reach the age of driving, just like you drive a car or you drive a boat, There are many things about a boat that are different. So a boater safety course teaches you the rules of the road and the water so that you know what's right and wrong in driving a boat.
That sounds so useful. Thanks, Captain.
You're very welcome.
I feel like when I'm outside, I just kind of feel calm, and it's really fun to just be able to catch some crappie and know that, you know, that will pay off in the end, and you'll get to have a good meal out of it, and you get to have some fun time with family.
What you said there, coming from your generation and all that you represent in your generation, I think is perfect for what life is all about. And always remember that no matter how stressful it gets through life, fishing allows us to get back to nature.